Ever wondered how to transform a rusty old motorcycle into a shiny classic beauty? Welcome, fellow enthusiasts, to the mesmerizing art of motorcycle restoration. The process promises a captivating journey, one that breathes new life into vintage machines. It's not just about wrenches and oil, it's about the satisfaction of reviving a piece of history, the thrill of seeing an old beauty roar back to life. So buckle up and prepare to embark on a remarkable journey, and let's bring back the glory of your old motorcycle. To start off, you need a clear, comprehensive plan. Think of it as your restoration blueprint. This isn't just about wrenching bolts and swapping parts, it's about crafting a vision, a dream on two wheels. And dreams require planning. First, you have to consider your budget. How much are you willing to invest in this project? Restoration isn't a cheap hobby, but with careful planning it can be affordable and rewarding. Next, think about the time. Are you ready to invest weekends, late nights and early mornings into this labor of love? Then there's the matter of parts. Will you hunt for original parts, or are aftermarket parts more your speed? Both have their pros and cons. And finally, visualize your desired final look. Is it a sleek cafe racer or a rugged off-roader? Remember, a well-planned restoration process is a successful one. So get that blueprint ready. With the plan in place, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get dirty. The restoration process can be broken down into 4 main steps. First, we start with disassembling the motorcycle. This is where we strip it down to its bare bones, carefully removing each part and setting it aside. Next comes the cleaning and repairing phase. Each part is meticulously cleaned and any damaged or worn-out components are repaired. This is a crucial step where attention to detail really pays off. Thirdly, we look at replacing any worn-out parts. These are the pieces that have seen their fair share of wear and tear and are beyond repair. We replace them with new or refurbished parts to ensure the longevity of the motorcycle. Finally, we come to the reassembling of the motorcycle. Each part is carefully put back in its place, the culmination of all your hard work and patience. Remember, patience is key. Each step is crucial to achieving the perfect restoration. Once you've reassembled your motorcycle, you're almost at the finish line. The final steps, painting and polishing, are not mere aesthetic exercises. They are crucial in achieving that professional finish, the kind that turns heads and sparks conversations. A meticulous coat of paint not only enhances the bike's appearance but also protects it from the elements. Polishing, on the other hand, brings out the gleam in every metal part, reflecting your hard work. And there you have it. A beautifully restored motorcycle that's ready to hit the road. So, what have we learned from this journey? It all starts with a comprehensive plan, a roadmap for restoration. Patience is more than a virtue, it's a necessity. Each bolt turned, each part cleaned, requires meticulousness and attention to detail. And let's not forget the satisfaction, the sheer joy derived from breathing new life into an old motorcycle. Remember, every rusty old motorcycle has the potential to become a shiny classic beauty. All it takes is a little time, effort, and love.